Hello everyone. So today we're gonna present about our platform having an AI-powered home rehabilitation system for the elderly, which is the platform we are required to build for Project A. So our team member have Nguyễn Hữu Tuấn Đạt, Nguyễn Xuân Hà Minh, Vũ Minh Dũng, myself, the presenters, Trịnh Nhân Kiệt, Trần Lê Việt Bách, Lê Hoàng Minh, and Nguyễn Đức Tâm. So to take an overview of our what we're going to present. So first of all, we're gonna state the problems and what motivate us to reach to these solutions. Yeah, and definitely we gotta do some research around it. And third of all, we also want to present about our project plans, which we give you guys an all brief overview of the technologies that we take advantage to build up this platform. We also want to talk about the progress, how we planning ahead each week, and how we collaborated with each other. We're going to also mention about our future vision, which technology we're going to apply to enhance our app and make user to take advantage of it. And we also want to draw some conclusion and some demo from Tuấn Đạt, how we're going to use the platform. So first of all, simply state of some of the problems. So first of all, our client requires to build a rehabilitation platform for the elderly people, which enhance the technologies. But however, it also gotta be easy to use for the elderly people. We also need to take advantage of data-driven to draw some insights for user and also the doctor. We also to maintain a role-based security level for patients and also for the doctors, and also a friendly UI for the user to use. Yeah, and here's some of our research. So actually, from our research, we find that 48% of patient and elderly people do not have access to proper rehabilitation service after hospital discharge, and 32.7 from the 48% above low income patients and who cannot afford the rehabilitation service. Yeah, and we also observe that for 28.9% of the country worldwide take advantage of the technologies to help more people to access to the rehabilitations, which are lower cost. Yeah, and $2 billion of dollars have been invested into this domain. And that which is motivate us to end up with this platform we call Hamming, and our visions of this platform, also our favorite code, which is this platform want to be the pioneering and the integration of technologies into the rehabilitations. So to talk a little bit about our solution. So this is a rehabilitation system for the elderly, which we have mentioned before, and now we mention again. We take advantage of a media pipe algorithm with some additional tuning and calculations to trace the movement of the patients and provide real-time feedback for them. We also provide a comprehensive data pipeline, which embedded directly to take utilize of the data-driven technology to draw some insight for patient and also enhance some security to enhance the privacy for our patients. And moreover, so our project plans, which we're gonna dig a little bit deeply into what is inside our platform. So actually, we check utilize of our media pipe to track patient motion and provide real-time feedback. We also build a comprehensive data pipeline with separation of online transactional and also the online analytical. So yeah, we divide it both separately to reduce the downtime and also to optimize the aggregations using SQL language and non-SQL. Yeah, we utilize MongoDB and Postgres SQL. With Mongo, we use the Mongo Atlas. We are utilizing of the free resource of the cloud platform provided by them. And we also implementation of some visualization using D3 embedded directly into the platform to reduce the downtime instead of using some good platform like Power BI. Yeah, and using Vue.js, we build up a really friendly UI platform. Yeah, move to another step. We're gonna talk a little bit about our plan in our some of our collaborations as a team member. Some from week 1 to week 3, we focus on building a friendly UI, and then in the upcoming next 3 weeks, from week 4 to week 6, we are trying to merging between the UI and the algorithms being built during this time. And after that, in week 7 to week 9, we are completing the data pipeline and some of the visualizations and logging process, and we trying to merge them together, kind of finalized. But we are also want to make it more careful. So we take utilize of the last 3 weeks just to finalize our platform through demo and feedback. So we're just keeping the cycle finalized, giving a demo to client and teacher and fixing it. So we keep this cycle to make our platform as best as possible. Yeah, and here how we collaborate. So actually, in order to take advantage of each team member strength. So we divide our team into division, the AI and algorithm division, the data division, and the UI and the front end division. So each division are working separately, but when we need to meet, we are trying to collaborate with each other also. When we do the planning ahead and giving us a visions for each week and also the long term, we are using Notion. And each week we are hosting a meeting in Google Meet to look after the work, providing the feedback, and to keep up with everything. And with monitoring and version control, we using Git and GitHub. Yeah, in the future, we are looking forward to enhance our platform with AI technologies. We're going to use a natural language processing LLM model to create the auto suggestions on the data on the logging data from the client to help the doctor one hand. We also to enhance the security for the data flow, and we also really want to integrate with like IoT device like smartwatch, like digital scale to allow more comprehensive health monitoring for user. And we also want to build a mobile app. Yeah, and yeah, all in all, that is the end of our presentations. And yeah, thank you for listening. And now we are looking forward a demo from the NAP to see how interesting our platform are.
Hello everybody, today I'm going to demonstrate for the applications of the Hanoi 2.5 group. Our project is the elderly people rehabilitation workout and mind exercise applications. So for starter, everything in the app will be displayed in Vietnamese because the client is a university in Hanoi. So first, we have two roles, which is the doctor and the patients. I'm going to explore the doctor side, okay? First, this is what the doctor will have. This is a dashboard where you can see the overview of the entire system that you manage. For example, we only have one patient right now, which is the Wilman An patients. And here, Wilman An patient, you can see the total amount of patients who is working right now, what to be concerned and cautious about, the average score. And you can see the list of patients that you want to dig deeper, to see more in detail. Right now, we only have Wilman A, and you clicked on it, and you can see a very simple overview of it. And if you want to go deep, you can. There's a lot more things to do, but I'm going to move next to the Patients app. This is where you are going to create or add more or delete patients that you are managing, and you click them. If you click on them, you can see a very insightful visualization of the history and the progress of that particular patient. And next, if you go next to the calendar, you can see the calendar. We can create a new calendar. And I want to say that everything we have so far is backed using a database. We are using a dashboard, NeonDB database. Oh, sorry. I will create a new one. 2.5, 2020. It's a long time. I don't even. Okay, here it is. I just create a new schedule. We have month, weeks, if you want to go in more detail and simpler to see, and days if you are really, really busy and you want to go deep into the detail. And next, we are going to move to the assignment workout. Right now, we don't have a lot of patience, so I'm not going to demo this. And what essentially what this page is about is that you want to create a custom-made workout plan for a particular set of patients or a particular patient himself. And the workout, you will say that, oh, in the morning you have to do this, in the afternoon you have to do this, and you will create a checklist, and you will set that checklist to the patients, and the patients will see a checklist and work and do all the tasks according to the custom made plan from the doctor, and he will be ticked the box, and everything will be sent back to the database for visualization and for analysis. And next, this is where you are going to create new custom-made exercise. In the future, we want to create a vision model where you can just feed a video of a person working out correctly versus a tons of different error they possibly could be made, and that AI model will extract all that information and create a new custom workout for you. And for now, you can see, you can click on it, you see the description about it and the video, so that you have a clear understanding of what it is. It's not because not a lot of doctors understand and do a lot of workout. They know about human physique and what they need, but then it's not exactly a personal trainer on in the gym. So we have some description. And if you are a doctor, so obviously you are quite busy. And if you truly and we will create this combo functionality where you can create a set, reusable and predefined sets of workout for any particular group of patient that you find suitable. I'm going to demo it right now. Okay, morning workout for elderly people. We can create workout, choose the exercise. We have brain exercise and physicality exercise. I'm going to pick a brain exercise 10 reps, and I'll save the combo. I'm going to save the combo, and it will be saved on the database themselves too. And you can go to the messaging app. You can go and message hello. Okay. And you might want to obviously want to see how the patients interact with the app itself. You can see it right now. Okay, so that you have a deeper understanding and concern to the patients. I'm going to move next to the patients tab as we speak about it. This is where you are going to have received your checklist, and because right now I'm not assigning anything to him yet, so we have no checklist now, but in the future you will do according to the plan. So you just go on it, click on the button, and the entire system will go through one by one, sequentially, all the checklists. And after you finish it, it will move next to the next one, and will tick the box for you, and will analyze and collect all the useful and non-sensitive data for analysis. This is a dashboard data where we'll have visualization and analysis of your progress, how hardworking and how much you've been sticking to the plan. And next, I'm going to demo a little bit about one of the most important functionality, which is the workout part. Okay, let me try to connect. Okay, connect successfully. I'm going to do 5 reps of bicep curl. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that one I intentionally made wrong so that it didn't count. Now I've been doing it correctly, then it count for me. Then finish. I'm going to move next to the brain exercise. You know that working out, the targeted patients is not just people who are weak physically. They are mentally degraded. So we want to create some intuitive, colorful, and interesting and games for them to play. So we have plenty of games right now. I'm going to do the reaction game. So it's very easy. If you misclicked it, or if you misclicked it, then you are failed. But you will continue with the game so that you can still train, but it will not be given a point to your database. So for better analysis. So that's basically it. That's the entire workout. Thank you for listening.